Have you ever wondered how Apple, Samsung, and Microsoft emerged as market leaders, despite having thousands of competitors in the technology domain? The popular notion of their success is believed to be continuous progressive and disruptive innovation. It is a well-understood fact that we live in an era of technological explosion where hundreds of technologies materialize every year, replacing the antique ones. Sticking to a set of technologies and innovating in them for years is not a possibility anymore in a majority of the cases. To thrive successfully in the business world, it is essential to move with the trends. In other words, as better technologies eventuate, the wisdom is in adopting those technologies into your product development lifecycle. Having said that, it should be noted that the adoption of technologies into your product lifecycle is, in many cases, complicated. Sounds like a boulder to me. What do I do now? Is that what you're thinking? If yes, there's nothing to fret about as this boulder can easily be moved. The solution, in this case, is getting technology scouting done. Conducting a technology scouting can help you find, analyze, and evaluate all existing inventions necessary to start, complement, or accelerate the development of a new technology or product. If you'd like to get scouting conducted for your domain of technology, do get in touch. We'd love to work with you.